In warm-up for P.7 quadrants and lines, we're going to look at information that you've learned in the past in a new context. So we know that we have the Cartesian coordinate plane. It's defined into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we've learned a lot about lines and their characteristics. Interesting characteristics for lines are the slope. Where it crosses the x-axis, we'd call that the x-intercept. Where it crosses the y-axis, being the y-intercept. And we can classify lines as being horizontal, vertical, and if a line is neither horizontal nor vertical, we can use the term oblique. In this exercise, the input is going to be the quadrants through which a line passes. And given that information about the quadrants through which a line passes, we're going to be able to determine the characteristics of the line. So as an example, if we have a line that passes exclusively through quadrants 1 and 2, I drew the green line up above, that's going to be our input. So if we know that a line passes through quadrants 1 and 2, what can we tell about the line? In this case, we can say that we have a horizontal line. If we have a horizontal line, that means its slope, which we represent by the letter M, is 0. We cannot determine a particular value for the y-intercept, but we can tell something about the y-intercept. And in this case, if the line passes through quadrants 1 and 2, we know that the y-intercept is positive. Or you could also write that as, let me write that again, positive. Or we could simply write b is greater than 0. We use the letter b to represent the y-intercept. And for this particular horizontal line, we do not have any x-intercept, so I'm going to put none here. So your challenge in this exercise is to describe every single case, and in this exercise there are a total of 12 cases. Each case is going to be defined by a different set of quadrants through which the line passes. And as a hint, think about what happens if a line coincides with one of the axes. Which quadrants does it pass through? Okay, good luck and have fun.